Assalamu alaikum viewers, I'm your host Samara. Welcome to our YouTube channel, The Holy Viewers. Viewers, today the topic on which we are going to tell you about this new seven wonders of the world. You all may be aware about the seven wonders of the world. They are really astonishing to witness. Are you a person who holds these seven wonders on your bucket list? Then here are those wonders to feed your spirit. First of all, the wonder of the world about that I'm going to tell you is Taj Mahal, that is located in India. Viewers, Taj Mahal is a symbol of love. Emperor Shah Jahan built this wonder in honor of his beloved wife named Mumtaz Mahal, who gave him 14 children and died in labor, unfortunately. But viewers, the construction of this world's richest grave was begun during 1632. After that, viewers, I am going to tell you about the Great Wall of China. This is such a beautiful wall located in China. Totaling more than 13,000 miles in length, the Great Wall of China is an ancient series of walls and fortifications. It was built to keep invaders from crossing its northern border. You maybe become wondered after knowing that one way someone went to the moon and he or she saw nothing but there is Great Wall of China is one of the wonder that when you go to the moon you can see that wall from the moon. After that, I'm gonna tell you about Machu Picchu that is located in Peru. Machu Picchu is basically an ancient city located in the Andes Mountains in Peru, above the Urbamba River Valley. Ladies and gentlemen, according to historians, the architectural complex was built in the 15th century, approximately by the Inca settlers. So, do you think this is strange? If you think, then comment below and tell us about your opinions. After that, I'm going to tell you the another wonder of the world, that is Roman Colosseum. You can see as that Roman is an elegant ancient city that is such a beautiful. You may become wonder after watching this. Roman Colosseum was built around 80 AD and it can accommodate 50,000 people. Viewers, 50,000. You can see the amount that it can accommodate around about 50,000 people on it. The 50,000 people can sit in this. So you can imagine how beautiful the wonder of this is. After that, I'm going to tell you about Petra, that is in Jordan. Petra is an ancient stone complex built by the Nabateans situated in Jordan's southwestern desert. So viewers, this is basically located in the desert that is in southwestern. So it is believed to have established around 300 BC, located in the south of Jordan between the Dead Sea and the Red Sea. So Petra is a long drive from Amman, added to the new seven wonders of the world recently. After that, I'm going to tell you another wonder of the world that is such a beautiful, named Chichen Itza, that is located in Mexico. Dating to 600 AD, Chichen Itza is the largest and famous pyramid in the Yucatan, Pennsylvania. Visit on March 21st, the spring equinox to witness the re-owned serpent effect on the main pyramid. Pay visit early to avoid crowds. Ladies and gentlemen, the most beautiful and most wonderful wonder of the world that is named Christ the Redeemer statue that is situated in Brazil. You may see how the statue looks. Christ the Redeemer statue was constructed between 1922 and 1931. You can see that a world war occurred between these eras. This 98 feet tall iconic statue is made to neutralize the increasingly sinful nature of the Republic of Brazil, which had separated church from state in 1889. Usually Christ's statue was a cross, but this one has open arms. You can see this has an open arms which are depicted as a symbol of peace. So basically the statue shows peace, that there must be a peace in the city or in this state. So, ladies and gentlemen, today I told you about the seven wonders of the world. You see that how beautiful and how astonishing all these seven wonders of the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, you may let us know about with your through your comment that on this topic we should make another video. Your suggestions, your comments are meaningful for us, and thank you so much for watching. Keep watching and keep subscribing our channel, and thank you so much.